La da 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 da. Wipe those tears from your eyes. La da 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 da. Wipe those tears from your life. Yes. Teardrops falling from my eye. My life is full of pain and I can't even cry. And dear Lord, my baby soon born. I need a couple $100 who me I go call. My baby mother hungry and my picnic them my bad. The hustling will never stop. Division from the king caps and envious. So what we got? Someone dirty, you have to watch you clean them up, and that's where that overboard. Like a sprat in Zion, I sit like a rock, begging them to load the war and spread peace. Love me and my family peace. I give my praise to the Father. I will never falter. I got to give it all till the very last tear. Da-da-da-da-da. Wipe those tears from your eyes. La da 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 da. Wipe those tears from your life. Yes. Paintings on the wall, they let me know that my life goes on. Yeah. And when I sleep, the pain it calls. And teardrops, no matter how I try, they still fall. Yeah. Wake up, baby love, you are asleep since morning. Dark days ahead and the sky is still storming. La da 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 da. Wipe those tears from your life, yes.